Hi students, welcome back to bankexamstudy.com. Today we will discuss why the students fails in bank exams. Lakhs of students appears in the banking examinations such as IBPS PO, SBI PO, IBPS clerk, RRB, but 90% of them fails. What is the reason? Today we will discuss the reasons of such huge number of failures. The first reason, lack of quality study material. There are a lot of books available in the market, and these books were written in like 2009, 10, or even in 2001 and 2. Students are still following such material. Examples are the Quantitative Aptitude by R.S. Agarwal, by M. Taira, M.K. Pandey. There are many books available in the market, the best-selling books. Thousands, millions of students are following these books, but the questions in these books are really very easy. You won't find even a single question from these books in the SBI PO or IBPS PO exam. So that's the biggest problem. So that is the major cause behind your failure. The lack of quality study material. I see many students are there who are preparing from last 1 year, 1.5 year. They buy many books. For quantitative aptitude, they buy 7-8 books. For reasoning ability, they buy 4-5 books. They buy actually all the books available in the market. What they do, they go to Amazon.in or they go to Flipkart. They search for quantitative aptitude and then they search for whichever book is most popular. And then there is a kind of rat race. If everybody is purchasing a particular book, they'll purchase that book. They'll read the reviews and then they'll go for it. So first of all, let me tell you, most of those reviews are fake. Even if there are some positive reviews, people are actually benefited from those books, but those books are actually meant for for beginners actually. You are not going to find such questions in the exams. That is the number one thing. The number two thing, the second reason behind your failure is the coaching institutes. Those people are making a lot of money, but they are not concerned about your future. Whenever you enter a coaching center, they'll ask you for some money. Then they'll give you like 4 small books, 140-page book, 200 pages book, 4 small books containing very easy questions, like very easy. There are 10-12 questions in every chapter, and they hire the teachers from those students only. The students who are failing from last 2 or 3 years, they hire those students as a teachers. I'm not talking about some good quality institutes in New Delhi area or some other good places, but I'm talking about the places like Ludhiana, Chandigarh, or even in some places in like Bhagalpur, and even in Kolkata. Market is very bad at Kolkata. I'm talking about those places. Students are teaching. Actually, the students who are failing these exams from last 2 or 3 years, who are serial failures, or failing from last many exams. Now they have a lot of experience and now they are teaching you. What kind of teachers are these? I don't understand. Who themselves are struggling for their future, for their career, they are teaching you. And the institutes have framed their study material in such a manner that such students can actually teach you. There are those 10-12 questions and they are teaching you those 10-12 questions. That's all. In any case, if you ask your teacher to solve a question that you bring that from our website of bankexamstudy.com or any other book they are not going to solve that question for you. They are not going to do it because they can't do it. Simply, there are limits for them. They can't do it. That is the reason number two. But at the time of providing the mock test series, these coaching institutes comes to people like us who frame the question papers and provide them. We have a team of writers who frame question papers for them, and then we provide the mock test series to them. And while attempting the mock test series, you come to know that you are not able to score more than 30 in prelims and the pre-test, and more than 50-60 in the mains exams. Then you go to your teachers or the head of the institute. Then what is happening? Why I'm not able to score? Then he'll give you a tailor-made answer that you have to practice. That is a tailor-made answer that you have to practice more. The base is not solid enough. Your concepts are not clear. Then how you are going to solve all the questions? Why you are attempting so many mock tests? Why you are downloading the papers? Why you are attempting all the papers when your concepts are not clear? Why? Most of you are, wasting your time in solving same data interpretation questions, solving puzzles all the day. That is a problem. The third major problem is that you are weak in one or two of the sections. Some of the students are weak in English. They are from Hindi medium or some local language medium schools, and they are bad at it. So they are not able to score well in those sections. And they are not, working hard on those sections. They don't know how to improve their score in those sections. How to do that? Some of the students are not good at quantitative aptitude. And the worst example is some students who are not good at general awareness section, the easiest part. What you need to do is just install RGKit as an application or any other mobile application, and you just need to spend 5 minutes a day on that application. That's all. That's all about general awareness. And then computer awareness is there, banking awareness is there. There is the same 100 or 200 pages books. The syllabus is limited. You have to read those 200 pages that we have prepared actually. Available for free on bankexamstudy.com, or you can read any other book. Available online. Mark my words, study material available online as of now is much better than the books available in the bookstores. Mark my words. We people are working really, really very hard. Now, these are the three major reasons why you are failing. So let's talk about the solution. What I can do for you. From last 5 years, I'm working on bankexamstudy.com. I'm working on my books. What I have noticed, I buy all the books. I buy every book available in the market. As you people are buying 1 out of 5 books available online, you have to make choices. I don't make choice. I buy all. I buy every book. I review them. What I have noticed is that in banking awareness or computer awareness or even in English, those books are not made for these banking examinations. They are not made for these competitive exams. Either in the banking awareness section, there are long paragraphs and the content is outdated. First of all, it is boring to read, and then it is outdated. In case of banking awareness, even in case of general awareness, it is outdated and it is very difficult to read because there are long paragraphs. And around 70 to 80% of the material available in those general awareness and banking awareness books are useless. The material is useless in those books. The long paragraph, you can take an example of India book. Good book. It is very good for IAS or civil services. It's very good for such exams, but it is not useful for banking examination. It's a huge book. It's like this much, around 1500 pages. There is no need to read such a huge stuff. There is no need. So don't follow those books. Further, in case of quantitative aptitude, I have seen in the RS Agarwal there is no data interpretation section. And then how you are going to crack the exam if there is no data interpretation section? Most popular books that RS Agarwal, M. Tyra, N.K. Pandey, these books doesn't have that data interpretation section. They have 30-40 questions, very easy questions that you are not going to see in the exam. Then how you are going to crack the exam? And there is no book available in the market for reasoning section. There is no good book available. The exam level puzzles, just find me one book in which there are exam level puzzles. You are not going to find the exam level puzzles. Further, no book is comprehensive for reasoning ability section. You are not going to find the input output questions and inequalities, syllogism. No book is having all the chapters. All the chapters, point number 1, and point number 2, the questions in those books are at par with the questions asked in the IBPS PO, SBI PO level exams. I'm not going to find it. And further, for the English grammar, I think the grammar books available in the market are good enough. They are good. Book by Murphy or that Oxford, they actually write good books. But there is a problem. The books are this much big, 400 pages, 500 pages, and further, they are not kind of useful for banking examinations. You need to read the certain rules to spot the errors in the sentences. You need to find the techniques to solve the reading comprehension. You need to learn the techniques to solve the para-jumbles, how to do cloze test, how to fill the blanks. No book is teaching that thing to you. No book is teaching those techniques to you. So here we come. From last 5 years, I'm writing those books for you. I have made around 14 books, 14 ebooks. We have done a lot of hard work on these books. We have, made these books. There are no long paragraphs, first of all. That is the point number 1. There are no long paragraphs. These books are concise. These books are complete. We have covered everything, and everything is in points. And these books are handwritten. First of all, we write the points on the pages, and then we type those pages, and then we make the ebooks. And we update these ebooks after every 2 months. And for the general awareness, we actually provide a monthly digest free of cost. But for the quantitative aptitude section, for the reasoning ability, English, banking awareness, computer awareness, even marketing, and the book for the IT officer exam, we make a kit, a smart kit for preparations. You should buy this kit. I'm giving a link in the description. Just click the buy button and make the purchase. Even if you are not buying any of those books, you can drop me a mail, raman@bankexamstudy.com. I'm here to solve all of your problems. Even if you are not interested in buying those books, you can drop me an email, raman@bankexamstudy.com. That is my email address. I promise to reply all the emails, every email. And I'll solve all your problems within 24 hours. And that's my promise. So that's all for today. Have a nice day. Bye.